I'm at my local Toyota dealership, and they have 11 new Tacomas, and they also have a Limited over there that we're going to go check out. We're also going to go check out this Ford F150 over here and see what they got. All right, so this is a blue TRD Offroad. I do like the wheels on this. It does have disc brakes in the back. This does look very solid, I have to say. You can see it does not have leaf springs. They are wanting $53,345 for this one. Looks like it does have the off-road upgrade package. You can see that this does have a plastic skid plate. It's got another one right there. And of course the Bilstein 5100s. And it does have a smaller gas tank. I'm not too happy about with that one. But I've heard there were some aftermarket upgrades you could get to increase the gas tank size. Let's check out the latest from NHTSA. Looks like it's up to 44 complaints. This was less than 2 weeks ago. When starting from a stop on a stoplight on a steep hill, the truck did not accelerate and started rolling backward, almost hitting multiple vehicles. This is a TRD Pro. Transmission failed with just over 1,000 miles driven on the truck. After a week of troubleshooting, the dealership informed me that the transmission was stuck in 6th gear due to a solenoid failure and they would need to replace the transmission. This is the TRD Offroad. It's got the bed lights, electrical outlet storage over here. It's got USB-C and a DC output for electrical. And like I said before, you could take this out and order the Trail Hunter air compressor and just install it yourself. With it, since it has power over there, that should be pretty easy to do. They are wanting $52,829 for this one. It's got a 14-inch screen, locking rear diff, stabilizer disconnect, and it's got the upgrade package. And that's power adjustable front seats, leather trim heated steering wheel, and the JBL speaker up here up front. And this one does have the tube steps or the side steps. And as always, the parts content, US Canada parts content 35%, major sources of foreign parts content 20% Japan, 30% Mexico, final assembly point Mexico, and country of origin is the engine parts USA, transmission parts Japan. Oh yeah, I would definitely go with a TRD Offroad upgrade package. I'm seriously eyeing that blue one up there. All right, we got another TRD Offroad. They're wanting $53,405 for this one. Got the upgrade package, and it's got the 14-inch display, JBL speaker. This one has a hard trifold tonneau cover, spray-on bed liner as well. Let's go over there to the other side. This one has a locking rear diff, stabilizer disconnect. I can't tell what that other one is over there. This has a moonroof. I think this one is probably an upgrade over that one. All right, we got a TRD Sport. We got bed lights back here, but no storage. No electrical outlet. This is 4-cylinder. We don't see the I-Force Max there. They're wanting $45,674. No removable JBL speakers, 8-inch display. This does have mud guards, floor liners, and it does have the side steps. And I can tell that the off-road sits higher than the TRD Sport. All right, this looks like an SR. This is 35,659, 8-inch display. This is just a basic model. So, and you can tell also that this has leaf springs. So, and like the TRD Sport and the TRD Offroads, they do not have leaf springs anymore. But they do have disc brakes. No storage, no electrical outlet. Here's another SR5. It's very similar except color. Looks like it's the underground color. And they want $38,859 for this one. 8-inch display. No storage. No electrical outlet or storage over here. All right, here's a TRD Sport. So you can see here, this one does not have leaf springs, whereas the SR has leaf springs. This is a basic TRD Sport. It's got an 8-inch display. They want $45,359 for this one. So this one is interesting. It has the illuminated front emblem. If you didn't know about this on the 4th generation Tacoma, you can order this directly from Toyota and you can have it put on. So this emblem here is illuminated. So you can get it on any of the trim levels. You can order it and just put it on. Here's another SR, basic model. They want $42,889 for this one, 8-inch display. It does have an SR upgrade package, which includes a blind spot monitor, deck rail, and cleats. No electrical outlet or storage. Here's another SR. This is a basic one, $38,859, 8-inch display. Is this one even a 4x4? I don't even think this one's a 4x4. No storage, no electrical outlet. This is a TRD Sport, got heated front seats. It's got the tube steps, 18-inch wheels, 8-inch display, and they want $46,099 for this one. No storage, no electrical outlet or storage. But it does have bed cleats. Those are pretty cheap. You can get them for about 35 bucks. I ordered some for my 3rd gen not too long ago. I wanted some extra ones. This is a TRD Sport. They want $52,364 for this one. It's got the upgrade package, includes 8-way power adjustable front seats, leather trim heated steering wheel, JBL speaker. Looks like it's got the 8-inch display and all-weather floor liners. This is an iForce Max, so this is the hybrid. And remember, with the hybrids for the Tacoma, they're not there to save you gas money. It's there to give you more torque and more power, which is why I'm considering a trail hunter, and I won't be getting a trail hunter if I get one until next year, mainly just because of the economy, and I'm expecting prices to go down and that sort of thing after the election and all that's over with. So this is an SR. This is $38,859, 8-inch display. This is just a very basic model. I don't even think this one is a 4x4. I see it right there. No storage. No electrical outlet. Well, let's see if that locks. Well, that just falls straight to the ground on this one. It's easy to lift. We do have a Limited over there that we're going to go check out. So let's go check out that one. Here's the Limited. Let's check this out. Look, it's got chrome wheels. It's got an air dam. It's got the 14-inch screen. It's got the tow package. I do not see a stabilizer disconnect, but we'll go check it out. So you got the electrical out and storage, bed lights. I can tell that they've put the spray on bed liner in there. And then of course, USB-C and DC output over here. And always put an air compressor in there. And they want $55,379 for this one. Let's see what it has. This one does have an illuminated front emblem. Door liners, spray on bed liner, soft text trim seats with driver and front passenger lumbar support. It's got the JBL speaker, but for me, this isn't for me. I'm not Mr. Fancy Pants with a Tacoma. I want something rugged that can take a beating. But you can see the illuminated emblem here. I would like to see that at night though. But you can order that and put that on any Tacoma, any 4th gen Tacoma. All right, so they got a Ford F150 Raptor. Let's see what they have in here. So there's no bed protection in here whatsoever. It does have tail lights. Look like it's got an electrical outlet over here. Well, it does look nice. It's a 22 4x4, only 2,000 miles. But that's one thing I like about the Tacomas with the liners already in the back. All right, that's it for today. Let's see what new Tacomas they have coming in within the next week or so, and if any of these sell or not. We shall see. But my personal plans are not to get one till 2025 comes out. We'll see if these prices drop. And I am looking at possibly a Trail Hunter or a TRD Offroad. I'm still up in the air on that one. But the main thing for me is price. Some of these first year bugs get worked out. And let's get past this election and we'll see what happens. And hopefully the prices will drop. Thanks for joining me on this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and hitting that notification bell. And be sure to check my next video. I think you'll like it. We'll see you next time.